Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Kat and I'm very happy to have you here. I know I had promised that I was going to be explaining how to build up a curriculum based on your child's skills and all of that, but plans have changed. My reality as of 2 days ago now looks like this. That's right, we are in flu season, so we're going to be discussing instead how to continue on with homeschooling through sickness, if we keep going or not, and whether or not, not whether or not, how we deal with a sibling with special needs that does not have the sickness actually. So we're going to be discussing that quickly. I'm just going to finish up my coffee right now. My middle kiddo, Miss Talia, has chronic FPIs, as to what GI team believes at our children's hospital, and because of that she also has a different level of IgA, which means that she reacts differently to different illnesses. Her body does not react the same way. Her immune system is hyperactive, therefore when she gets sick she can get very sick very quickly. She is being monitored right now, and we don't know exactly what she has. It's some sort of cold. We'll see how it goes. She's on day 2 of fever right now. We'll see. Then our little man, Mr. Jasper, also got it. He's got it pretty hard actually. He started having quite a high fever last night, in the middle of the night. This girl did not sleep. I'm going to be on coffee number 3 over here, just to try and keep going through the day. So what we do on days like today is we keep it simple, mainly when it's more than one day in a row. Yesterday, because there was only one of them sick, I was able to keep schooling, and we actually did more work in the kitchen, more so. And today we're going to play more outside, try to get them some vitamin D in, and we're going to try and keep them healthy and hydrated. The baby's going to be sleeping a lot, but with Tia we might actually do a little bit of one-on-one time during her rest time. Instead of her actual quiet rest time by herself, because she needs a one-on-one. That's the thing with special needs. I'm not sure if it's just mine or if it's all other kiddos out there that are like that. Our eldest is not sick currently. She's actually feeling very well, but she has a hard time with understanding empathy, and she doesn't understand right now why I'm paying more attention, and we are all paying more attention to the 2 younger kids. Therefore, she's acting up quite a bit, and it's understanding. I get it. She's wondering why she's not getting her normal amount of attention, and she doesn't understand why being sick might be harder for them. So during her rest time, when she would normally, be in her room doing a puzzle, we're probably going to be doing a little bit of schooling then. That's how I keep it going. That's how I keep it neutral and give her a little more one-on-one time, even though everybody else is sick. Now for the youngest, we are, like I said, they're going to be lounging all day. They're going to be playing, and I think that's something that someone had asked me in the past is ooh, there's quite a glare in my glasses. There you go. Someone has asked me that in the past. How do I keep my kids screen free even through illnesses? Now the only time I really will start budging on the screen part is if mama is sick and has been sick for a while. So if I'm sick for 1 day, it's doable. 2 days, it's starting to push it. After 3 days, yes, I will give them like a documentary of some sort. But when they are sick, we just pull out more books, we pull out more stuffies, we make cozy nests. I kept my pregnancy pillow actually, and we do big nests with that one, and we stuff it with pillows, and the kids kind of lounge in there. We read stories together. We do blanket forts. We snuggle with our stuffies. I mean, we keep it going. We just don't have as much heavy body-wise, movements and everything else, so that their temperature can remain the same and they're not over-exhausting themselves. But as of right now, I'm not sure if you can see, but they're just playing outside, having fun on the deck. They're in the corner over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we just kind of keep it going. We don't do anything special for it, really. And it works really, really well. So yeah, we even decorated a little bit yesterday. Woohoo! I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. That's what we did yesterday. Was our schooling was hanging up our herbs from outside, getting everything ready for winter. It is now freezing here at night, so we had to get things ready. So yeah, so this is what our little sick patient is doing right now, resting up. I'm not sure if it's gonna focus back in, but yeah, so this is gonna be the update I think for today. It's not gonna be too lengthy. I promise. I am working on the curriculum, how to set up a curriculum for our next one, and I'm hoping to see you then, and I'm sorry for the delay. So have a good week and wish us luck. Bye.